everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew, your Stuttering Tech, back with another video, and today I'm reviewing the Manelord, I don't know if I'm saying that right, MH669 Bluetooth speaker. What's interesting about this speaker is not just a speaker, it's also a stand for mobile devices like your phone or tablet. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. The price is $21.99. The stand supports phones and tablets up to 13 inches. So basically, the way how it's going in the next couple of years, when we have 20-inch screen on a phone, you're going to have to throw this out the window with the kitchen sink. Now this device has an 1800 milliamp hour battery, but according to the description, it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge, which is disappointing, especially when we have fast charging technology. My almost 4-year-old smartphone charges faster than this thing does, despite having a much bigger battery. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Now, let's take a look at the box. Let's take a look around the box. As you can see, right here, it shows you, well, I think that's an iPhone on the stand itself, and it says phone stand with Bluetooth speaker, and there's not much information. You know, it says it again in the back, and then here it says the features: Bluetooth, hands-free audio, stereo speakers, plus subwoofer with phone stand, free hands, wireless Bluetooth connection support, compatible with most of smartphones. I don't know who wrote this thing. Okay, and it tells you the weight is 380 grams. It tells you the model number. Material is ABS. I don't know what that means. And it gives you the size, charging time 3 to 4 hours, compatible with most smartphones. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing open. Oh, see, I didn't need an unboxing knife for that one. All right, let me go ahead. Okay, nothing bad here. Wow, it feels a bit heavy. Okay, so this is what we have in the box. This is basically a instructional manual. We have okay, it says not USB-C. It's micro USB to USB-A cable. I mean, I don't know what's going on these days. I wish they went with USB-C, but we all can pick and choose, right? Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's take a look around the device real quick. Here we see the Manelord logo, registered logo. On the side you have the charging port for the micro USB, and there's nothing else on the sides. On the bottom you have these I don't know what, yeah, these I don't know what you call this, plastic or whatever. It's not rubber whatsoever. And as I push it down, it's starting to stick. There's some air underneath this one, and as you can tell, this, I don't know what that mark is, what that mark is from. Now this is the stand. How do you open this thing? Oh, so it comes up with the whole thing like this, and here you have the silicone pad right here. That's a non-slip silicone pad, and then you could pull this stand down. Oh man, how do I get this thing down? Oh, am I holding it the wrong way? I have no nails. I cut mine, well, not cut, bit my nails off already. I'm a nail biter. It shouldn't be this hard to come down. Why can't I get it down? Phone holder, yes, but why am I not getting it down? Okay, here we go. So it's a bit of a fight, and there's also some silicone paddings right here to keep the plastic from scratching your phone. But most people have a case on it anyway. Yeah, but it's all plastic. And then here is where you have the speaker. So this is the speaker grill, and then you have some buttons right here. I don't know whether this can be seen, but you have your plus, and it's also used to skip tracks forward, minus and skip track back. Answer, oh, this is to answer a phone call, so you can take phone calls in this. So this is to answer and phone calls and play and pause, and you have your power button. Now Let me grab my phone. I'm off of this thing here, off of my teleprompter, and let me go ahead and try to connect this. Let's power it on. Okay, so there's
power on. Bluetooth mode.
Oh, so it talks to you Bluetooth mode. Well, there's no other mode. There's no way to put any auxiliary into this. So I don't know why it's saying Bluetooth mode. But I don't know if you can see this very well, but there's a blue light flashing in there, let you know it's ready to pair. So I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings. Let's bring it down. Go into my Bluetooth. Turn on my Bluetooth. Is my Bluetooth even on? Nope. And I'm gonna pair the new device. I believe it should pair as the what is it, MH669. So far I don't see anything come up at all. There it is, MH669, and just hit that MH669 and it should be paired, or at least pairing soon. Asking me to allow access to contacts and call history. Go ahead. Why not?
Connected.
Okay, so now you get notified when it's connected. And yeah, so you could put it like this, understand. You can also put it like this, understand. And it'll work. You can angle it different directions. Well, no, I can't. Yeah, you can angle it different ways. You can bring it down as low, as far, and I think this is really, really good. You can do a lot of different angles with this. I can go ahead and let me pull up something real quick. Turn the Wi-Fi off, so I gotta turn the Wi-Fi back on the phone. Got a little congestion right there. Let's search for uncopyrighted music. And we're gonna go with the one I like to play. Here it is. So right now the volume is not that loud, but I'm gonna go ahead and increase it from using the button here. Oh no, that just skipped it. That just skipped it. I don't know why it did that. I just started it up on the phone. Yo, this thing is surprisingly loud. It gets loud. Now, I'm not outside or anything. Of course, I'm not outside. My mind is going all crazy. But it's loud, and it's not the most craziest bass I've ever heard. But man, it has some low end. And I'm not a song guy. Let's get it out there. Song is not my thing. But it sounds really, really good. It sounds clear. Even at max volume, it sounds really, really good. it's vibrating the desk. It's like vibrating the desk. Oh man. Let's pull up a song. Well, this song will be a little copyright. I'm just gonna play a little piece of it. It'll be a copyrighted song. Let me see. I just want to hear how it sounds on this one. Just real quick. Actually, let me bring up my Spotify. Just real quick with Spotify. Gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Let's see it. I'm just gonna skip to a part of the song. Ooh, man, that song's good. That song's good. Wow. That sounds really, really good. My God. This thing is amazing. For only $21.99, this sounds really, really good. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this at all. Remember, check the link in the description. Oh my God. Let me see. Do I have Netflix on this phone? I'm trying to see if I have my... Yes, here we go. Okay, there's a show that I'm watching. Dota, Dragon's Blood. Well, I didn't watch it yet, but let's get a list. I want to hear how content. Oh my God, that's loud. That's very, very loud.
In the beginning, there was only the primordial mind.
Do you see this thing move just now? It just moved on the table. Wow.
From this mind sprang the whole of creation. The stars, the planets, life and death.
Woo! That is loud. I could see myself just sitting here watching content, especially at work when I'm on my break. I could just sit this on the table, prop this on the table, and just have the most very good watching experience. Especially in holidays when there's nothing to do. I could just go in the office, just sit down, prop this on the desk, put my legs up, and just spend the day just watching videos and listening to music. Wow, this thing sounds great. Man, this thing sounds really, really good. Okay, everyone, so I've been playing around with this a little bit more, and I received a phone call, and it wasn't a very good experience. Now, it plays audio, music, everything is great in this, but phone calls is not. You can hear the person on the other end clearly, loud, that I even had to turn the volume down. But they cannot hear you very well because for some reason it's the mic on here is not good at all. If there is a mic, maybe, but I don't think there's a mic on this. I don't see any mics whatsoever. I don't know where the mic is. Now, I know there's two LEDs in here that comes on, and I see there's two specific holes, three holes right here on the inside, and I don't know if one of them is the mic, but I do know one is when the blue, when it's on, so it lets you know it's on and it's connected. It's blue, and then the other one is red when it's charging. Now, I don't know what that third one is. It might be a mic, but it's not very good to be making and receiving phone calls with. But for music, just simply having it there is just awesome. Just take your phone call and switch it to speakerphone, or just switch over to the phone and just hold it up to your ear, because it's not good on phone calls. So yeah, so you guys have to go ahead and check this thing out for yourself. Once again, check the link in the description. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification icon, and a thumbs up on this video will greatly be appreciated. I had to clear my throat there. Again, I don't know, some kind of congestion I got going on. But I'm gonna just go ahead and jam out right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.